Hello students, welcome to Mactab. I'm Ayush and I'll be teaching you mathematics. Today we are going to start our first lecture of the series of number system. We'll start from the very basics and I hope everything will be crystal clear to you. So without much ado, let's start our first lecture, that is knowing our numbers. In this class, we'll learn about the basics of the place value of digits. Then we'll come to comparing the numbers, and at last we will learn how to expand a number. So let's start. Yeah, here let's start how to find the place value of digits. So if a number is written like 2, 3, and 1, then what will be the place value of 1 here? It is ones, it is tens, it is hundreds, right? This is how we proceed. First ones, as it is written here, ones, then tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and so on. So why have you ever wondered why it is ones here and tens here and not vice versa? It is because when we expand this number, how we will expand this number? When we expand this number just like 1 into 1 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 100. This is how we expand the number. Why I multiplied this with 1, this with 10, and this with 100? Because if you multiply 1 with 1 itself, then we will get 1 plus what we'll get when we multiply 3 with 10, we'll get 30. And what we will get when we multiply 2 with 100? 200. When we add all this, 200, 30, and 1, what I'll get? Let me do this calculation in below. Okay, 200, 30, and 1. What if I sum it up? It is 1, it is 3, and it is 2. So we got the same number from where we have started. So by this, I can say that the 1 is multiplied by 1, 3 by 10, 3 with 10, and 2 with 100. So this is why we start with ones first, then tens, then 100, and the next digit will come as 1000 as it written here, then 10,000. So I think this is clear. Now let's take another example. Let's move to next page. Yeah. Let's say I have a number 3, 2, 6, 4. Just tell me what will come at the ones place. What is written at the ones place? It is 4 written here. So with which number we will multiply 4? We will multiply 4 with 1 only. Then one, after ones, what comes? It comes tens. So 6 with 10. It is 6 into 10, that is 60. Now comes to ones, tens, and hundreds. So we will multiply 2 by 100 plus, then after 100 it is thousands. So we will multiply 3 with 1000. So when we multiply all this, we will get 3000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 1. So this is how we find the place value of a number. Now if I write you another, this is not we will do again and again this calculation. When we just get used to of it, then what we will do? We will just see the number like it is written 291, let's say 5. Yeah, let's say it is written 5 here. So how we'll find the place value? We'll just count it here only: ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousands. So if anyone asks what is the place value of 9 here? Place value of 9 in this number. So we can just say it is at the 100th. 9 is the face value. If it is written 9 here, then the value of 9 is 9 only. But if it is written 9 at the 100th place, then the value of 9 is 900. That means this is the face value of 9 and this is the place value of 9. So what I want to say is face value of a number will remain same as the face value of 2 is 2 itself. The face value of 4 is 4 itself. But the place value changes with the change in number. Let's say I have a number written here 2915, this number again. So the face value of 9 is 9. But what is the place value of 9? Place value. Place value. This is face value. What is the place value of 9? It is at the 100th place. So the place value of 9 will be 9 into 100, 900. Get my point? So let's move forward. Now I want you guys to answer this question, okay? 4, 2, 1, 7. Remember, I am asking for face value. What is the face value of 2 here? The face value of 2 is 2 itself. And what about place value? What about place value? At which place 2 is? It is ones, tens, and 100. So the place value of 2 is 2 into 100, 200. Similarly, 3, 2, 9, 1. The face value of, take 3 here, not 1. What is the face value of 3? This, wait a second. Let me change the digit so it won't be confusing, right? Let's say it is 7 here. So what is the face value of 7 here? It is 7. And what will be the place value of 7? 7 into, at which place 7 is? It is at 1's place. So the place value of 7 will also be 7 into 1, 7. So here we can see that the face value and the place value is same. Why it is so? Because it is at 1's place. When a number is multiplied with 1, then the number we get is the number which we multiplied itself for. In this case, we have multiplied 7 with 1 and we get 7 only. So let's come to another example. Here I have 2, 3, 9, 4. I want the place value of 4. What is the place value of 4? Place value. I am saying place value, not face value. So 4 into 1, it is 4. What is the face value of 4? It is 4 only. Coming to 9. What is the face value of 9? It is 9. What is the place value of 9? The place value of 9 will be 9 into, at which place 9 is? Ones, tens. It is at tens place. So the place value of 9 is 9 into 10, 90. Now coming to 2. What is the face value of 2? It is 2. But what is the place value of 2? It is ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 into 100, 200. Again, in the case of 5, face value of 5 will be 5 only, but the place value of 5 will be 5 into 1000. Why 1000? Because ones, tens, hundreds, then comes 1000. So 5000. I hope this thing is clear to you guys. So let's come to the questions. Before coming to questions, let me explain one more concept to you. Yeah. So if a number is written here like 237 and a number is written here like 1237, I want you guys to tell me which number will be smaller and which will be the greater one among these two, between these two numbers. So as you all must have comprehended that this is the smallest number, this is the smaller number, and this is the bigger number. But why it is so? The answer is in expansion only. How to expand this number? 7 into 1 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 100. I hope you all are getting it now why I'm multiplying it with 100 and multiplying it with 10 and it with 1, because of their place value. See, ones, tens and hundreds, right? Let me make it more clear for you. Yeah, 2 into 100, that is 200. But if we expand this number, this bigger number, how will expand this? 7 into 1 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 1000. So here we can see that here we get a 1000 extra, right? Because of this extra 1000, we can say that this number is larger than this, because this number only having 200, then a 30, and then a 7, and this number is having a 7, 30, 200 plus 1000 extra. So because of this extra 1000, we can say that this number is larger than this number, right? So how we write that a number is larger than the other one? This 1237 is greater than 237. Clear? Now I want you to tell me 297192. Which number will be greater and which will be smaller? Obviously, this will be greater and this will be smaller. Why? Because if we see the highest place value, the highest place value here is 1. The digit at the highest place value is 1. The digit at the highest place value is 2. So 2 is greater than 1. So we can say that 297 is greater than 192. Why it is so? Because when we expand this number 297, so we'll get a 200 plus a 90 plus a 7. In the case of 192, we will get a 100 plus 90 plus 2. We can see that here we have added 200, here we have added only 100. So this number will be bigger by 100 and this number will be smaller because it is having a extra 100, right? I hope I made my point clear to you. Now coming to our questions. Yeah. So in these questions, let's find out which number is smallest and which one is greatest among these numbers. So coming to the first question, just tell me which number is greatest and which is the smallest. Go through these numbers. It is 5576, it is 9877, it is 1253, then we have a 253, then we have a 2001. So if we look at the digits at the highest place value, then we will, what we get is there is a 2 here, there is a 0 here, there is a 1 here, there is a 9 here, there is a 5 here. So to find the smallest number, what we have to do is we have to find the smallest number among these, smallest digit among these digits. So 0 is the smallest, right? Apart from it, what we can see that when 05253 is written, that means it is 253 only, because 0 at this place does not hold any value. If we write 00251, that means we are writing 251 only. But if we write 2510, then it has a value. Then it is like 251 into 10. We have a 0 extra here, right? So we can say that this number will be the smallest, because this is just a 3-digit number and all these are 4-digit numbers. And which will be the greatest number? Just check the digit at the highest place. Same like 59102. Which one is the highest among these digits? It is 9. So this number will be greatest. 9877. So from this, what I can conclude is that, just make a note in your notebook. If a number is having more digits than the number will be greater than the number having lesser digits. So if a number is having 1, 2, 3, 9, and a number is written here like 23, which will be smaller and which will be greater? Obviously this will be greater and this will be smaller, right? Because it is having only a 20 plus 3, but this number is having 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 9. Get my point? It has 1200 extra. Then 30 is also bigger than greater than 20. Then 9 is also greater than 3. Let's take another example. 2912, and here I am writing 912. Which one will be greater? This will be greater, and this will be smaller. Greater, because it is having 4 digits, it is having only 3 digits. So in questions we get 2, 3, 9, 6, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, and here it is written 3, 2, 9, 6, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1 in the 9 here. So if anybody asks you which will be the greater number and which will be the smaller number, then just count the digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This number has 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This number is having 11 digits. So this number by default will be smaller, and this number will be greater. Clear? Now coming to second question. Which of these digits will be smaller and which will be greater? Just check the digits at the highest place value. The digit at the highest place value here is 9. here it is 1, here it is 9, here it is 7. Why we are checking just highest place value? Because all the digits are having, all the numbers are having 4 digits only. It has 4 digits, it has 4 digits, it has 4 digits, it has 4 digits. If the digits are same in these in numbers, in given numbers, then we just check the digit at the highest place value. So here it is 7, here it is 9, here it is 1, here it is 9 again. So clearly we can see that this is the smallest number. So this will be the smallest number. Let me write it here. Wait. Smallest, largest. Yeah. So here it was 0253 9877. Coming to this, yeah, this is the smallest number 1. So smallest will be 1009. Now coming to greatest number, as we can see that here it is 9 and here it is also 9. So now how can we compare this number, as the digit at the highest place value is same? Then come to second highest place value. Here it is 1, here again it is 1. Now let me change the color of the pen so that you can understand it clearly. Here it is 1, here it is 1. That means here also same. Then come to next third highest place value. It is 1 here and it is 0 here. Let me write this number clearly. Yeah, here we can see that it is 9 here, it is 9 here. Now next digit, it is 1, it is 1. That means of no use. Then 1 and 0. Now we get different number, 1 and 0. Then which one will be the highest among these two? 0 or 1? Obviously 1 is higher than 0, 1 is greater than 0. So this number will be greater, largest. 9110. Getting my point? Now come to the third question. In this question, what is the number at the highest place value? It is 1 here, it is 1 here, it is 1 here, it is 1 here. Why we are checking it? Because the digits in all these numbers are same. All the numbers here are having 5 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and similarly both in these two number also we have 5 digits. So the number at the highest place value is 1 in all these numbers. So 1 will be of no use. Then again 5, 5, 5, 5. Again of no use. Then come to the next number 6, 0, 1, 8. Among these digits, which is the smallest? It is 0, obviously. So this number will be the smallest. 5, 1, 5, 0, 7, 3. Now check for the greatest number, largest number. It is 0, 1, 8, and 6. Which one is largest? 8. So the number 5800 will be largest. I hope it is clear to you. Now I want you guys to try this question for yourself. Pause the video for 2 seconds and try to answer this question. Which is the smallest number? First focus on the smallest only. Smallest, largest. So how we'll proceed? Just check the highest value, because all these numbers are having 5 digits. That means number of digits are same in all these numbers. So let's check the highest place value. 2, 2, 2, 2. That means it is of no use now. Coming to next, 5, 5, 5, 5. Again same, we cannot find out which one is greater and which one is smaller. Then 2, 2, 2, 2. Again same. Coming to next, 8, 4, 7, 1. 8, 4, 7, 1. Among these digits, which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. So the smallest number will be 25210. And which is the largest? 8 is largest. So largest number will be 2528286. Getting it? Let's come to next question. Which one is the smallest? I hope you can figure it out. Which is the smallest? This one. Why? Because it is having 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and every other number is having 5 digits. So this will be the smallest number. Now coming to largest number. Check the highest place value, 2, 2, 2. That means same. Now 3, 4, 4. Here we can say that 3, 4, 4. Largest. 4 is largest, but 4 is here. 4 is here also and here also in this number. So let's check for next digit of these two numbers only, because 3 is smaller. So we will not check for 3. Here we have 4 and 4. Now check for next digit, 5 and 6. Which is the largest among 5 and 6? 6, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5. 9 will be the largest digit. Similarly, I want you guys to find the smallest and the largest digit in this number. This question is very easy. Just try yourself. I hope you got your answer. So the smallest digit will be 999. Why so? Because this number is having 3 digits only, 1, 2, 3. This is having 4, this is having 4, this is having 4, and this is having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 digits, right? So the smallest number will be 3-digit number and the largest number will be 5-digit number. Got it? What I want you guys to do is just give yourself some random numbers and try to find out the smallest and the greatest number. With a little practice, you'll get this concept very much clear, and when you practice a lot, you can do it very easily. Now coming to our next question, next concept. The next concept is expansion of numbers. As we have done the expansion for place values, it is the same way. It is just to make it clarify then how we expand a number. When someone asks you, let's say, let me just take a blank page here. If someone says that a number is given 294, just write the expanded form of numbers given. That means they just want you to expand this number. So how will you proceed? You see that you have a 4 at ones place, so you will multiply 4 with ones. Then you see that you have a 9 at tens place, so you will multiply 9 with 10. Then you see you have a 100 at, you have a 2 at hundreds place, so you will multiply 2 with 100. So you will get 200 plus 90 plus 4. Just to check your answer, you can just sum it up and it will become 294. Just add this 290 and 4. It is 492. 294. This is the same number from which we have started, right? So I want you guys to write the expanded form of this number. Write the expanded form. So what will be the expanded form of this number? What is at the ones place? It is 1 itself. So 1 into 1 plus 9 into 10 plus 1 into 100 plus 8 into thousands. I hope you got why I multiplied it with 10, it with 100 and it with 1000. Why? Because at ones place we have 1, so we multiply 1 with 1 only. Then at tens place we have 9, we multiplied 9 with 10. Then at hundreds place we have 1, we have multiplied 1 with 100. And then at thousands place we have 8, so we multiplied 8 with 1000. So what we will get? 8000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 1. Got it? Let's come to our questions now. Yeah. So here I have just I have given you an example. So here 2 into 1 1, and 7 into 10 10. Again similarly at ones place we have 8, so 8 into 1. Then we have 2 at tens place, 2 into 10. Then we have 1 at hundreds place, so 1 into 100. Here 8 into 1. Then we have 2 into 10. Then we have 4 into 100. Why I'm writing it 1 here now and not it has already, why it is not already written here? Because 8 into 1 is 8 itself. That's why I just wrote it 8 here. Just wrote only the number, not multiplied by 1. Now coming to this number. Tell me what will be the expanded form. Yeah, just do it with me. 9 into 1 plus 6 into 10 plus 7 into 100. Yeah. So this will be the expanded form. Coming to next question. Here we have a thousands value. So 9 into 1, 2 into 10, because 2 is at the tens place, 9 is at the ones place, 4 is at the hundred place, and 1 is at the thousands place. So 9 into 1, 2 into 10, 4 into 100, and 1 into 1000. Now coming to this, 6 into 1, because 6 is at the ones place, 9 into 10 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 1000, because 2 is at the thousands place. Now I want you guys to do this. Let's start with ones place. 9 into 1, that is 9. Now 8 is at the tens place, so 8 into 10. Now 6 is at the hundred place, so 600. Now we have 5 at the thousands place, so 5 into 1000. Now we have 2 at the 10,000 place. 1, tens, hundred, thousands, and this is 10,000. So 2 into 10,000. Get it? So this is the expanded form. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. What I want you guys to do is just make a notebook where you can write all the concepts, only concepts, not practice questions. Okay, and I want you guys to make a separate copy for for practice, as these numbers are these questions are very simple. I just want you guys to give yourself some random numbers, just like 2 4 1 2, and just try to find the expanded form of these numbers. Then give yourself 2 4 1 2 1 2 3 1 2, some 2 3 random numbers, and try to find the smallest and the biggest largest number. So that's all from my side for today. In the next lecture, what we'll be doing, we'll be doing the concept of greatest and smallest number. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.